Now, if you're having some problems with your LG TrueSteam dishwasher and you're getting the error code at 6E, well, there are a few things that you may want to know here. Now, first things first, what does the 6E code mean? Now, when your LG TrueStream dishwasher flashes an 6E error, it's basically telling you there's a problem with how water is entering the machine. It's not filling up the way it should be. So before anything else, check the water inlet hose behind your dishwasher. Now, if it's bent, clogged with debris, or frozen from cold weather, that can easily stop water from flowing in. So straighten or clean it at as needed. Now, next is you want to turn off the water supply valve. Now, disconnect the hose, run water through it for a few seconds. And if water doesn't flow freely, then that confirms there's a blockage somewhere that needs clearing. Next is you want to rule out other possible issues. Now, sometimes the 6E error shows up even when the water supply is fine, so things like clogged filters, slow drainage, or too many studs from using regular dish soap can confuse the system and trigger the same error. And you may want to take out the filters at the bottom, rinse them under running water, and make sure the drain hose isn't blocked. Using only dishwasher-approved detergent helps prevent studs that might cause the machine to stop mid-cycle. Now, if the error keeps showing even after all that, make sure the dishwasher is leveled properly on the floor. When it's best to contact LG service here or a technician to check for deeper electrical or valve issues. Now, sometimes you may need some professional help, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.